G-TEC Group of Institutions is an ISO 9001-2015 certified global IT education network with its corporate office in Singapore with 500 plus centers. G-TEC established in the year 2001 by setting up training centers in all the major countries like India, Singapore, Mexico, Iran, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Indonesia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Africa. G-TEC Group of companies have its subsidiaries namely G-TEC Computer Education, GCAS G-TEC College for Advanced Studies, G-Smart Academy. G-TEC has alumni of around 1.6 million and an on-board student strength of around 100,000. G-TEC Computer Education, imparting IT education in all the divisions of information technology, software, multimedia, hardware and networking, finance and management, CAT Circle, G-English and G-Mobile are also incorporated to cater the needs of the students. GCAS, G-TEC College for Advanced Studies, conduct UG and PG courses with ICT-enabled programs coupled with internationally recognized university programs. G-Smart Academy, highlighting the concept of Power Tomorrow. It is a complete career workshop for students, helping them find their best. Cognitive learning programs, Tactivities, Career Plus Foundation and advanced programs are all part of its quiver. Jobs Bank is a CSR initiative along with the objective of global placement. It helps in organizing job fairs, recruitment drives for availing the right jobs for the deserving students, and it truly connects with our motto of making professionals globally. This is completely for public. Alliances of G-TEC, associating with renowned certification bodies like Microsoft, Adobe, SAP, IBM, IAB UK, ICDL, EC Council, IIBI, Interlingue and Tally. We help our students to stay truly global. G-TEC continues its eventful voyage by transforming the lives of students through quality education worldwide.